Welcome, dear listeners and learners, to our enchanting journey through Dale Carnegie's Stop Worrying and Start Living. Today, we'll explore the magical wisdom within this timeless self-help book, designed to transform your life. In the introduction, Carnegie sets the stage by emphasizing the importance of tackling anxiety and stress. He offers practical advice, backed by real-life examples, to help you lead a more fulfilling and worry-free life. Part 1 begins with the concept of living in day-tight compartments. Carnegie urges us to focus on today, handling tasks without letting past mistakes or future uncertainties cloud our minds. Carnegie introduces a magic formula for solving worry situations. First, analyze the situation honestly and figure out the worst that could happen. Then, prepare yourself mentally to accept the worst if necessary. Finally, calmly try to improve upon the worst that has already been accepted. This three-step approach helps you manage worry effectively, reducing its impact on your mental and physical health. In Part 2, Carnegie delves into basic techniques for analyzing worry. He suggests getting all the facts, weighing them, and coming to a decision. Then, act on that decision with confidence. Writing out and answering questions like, "What is the problem?" and "What are possible solutions?" can help you clarify your thoughts. This methodical approach aids in solving worry problems efficiently. For professionals, Carnegie advises delegating tasks and simplifying processes to reduce stress. Avoiding micromanagement can significantly cut down on business worries, leading to a more productive work environment. Part 3 focuses on breaking the worry habit before it breaks you. Carnegie emphasizes the importance of keeping busy with productive activities to prevent your mind from dwelling on worries. He also advises not to fuss about trifles. Learning to distinguish between major issues and trivial matters can help you reduce unnecessary worry, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Understanding the law of averages can outlaw your worries. Most fears and worries are unlikely to happen, so accepting this reality can help you manage anxiety more effectively. Cooperating with the inevitable is another key lesson. Accepting situations that cannot be changed instead of fighting against them can bring a sense of peace and reduce stress. Decide how much anxiety a thing is worth. Allocate worry time based on the importance of the matter, ensuring that you don't waste energy on insignificant concerns. Part 4 offers 7 ways to cultivate a mental attitude that brings peace and happiness. Filling your mind with positive thoughts about peace, courage, health, and hope is the first step. Carnegie advises, never trying to get even with your enemies. Resentment and revenge cause stress, so focusing on your own growth and well-being is more beneficial. Expecting ingratitude is another lesson. Not everyone will appreciate your efforts, and that's okay. Focus on your own actions and intentions rather than seeking external validation. Counting your blessings, not your troubles, can shift your perspective. Focusing on the positives in life helps you cultivate a sense of gratitude and contentment. Embracing your individuality and avoiding comparisons is crucial. Do not imitate others. Instead, celebrate your unique qualities and strengths. Learning from mistakes and turning setbacks into growth opportunities is another valuable lesson. Profiting from your losses can lead to personal development and resilience. Creating happiness for others can reduce your worries. Helping others not only brings joy to them, but also fosters a sense of fulfillment and purpose in your own life. In Part 5, Carnegie discusses the power of prayer. Faith and prayer can provide comfort and reduce worry, offering a spiritual approach to managing anxiety. Part 6 addresses how to keep from worrying about criticism. Unjust criticism is often a disguised compliment stemming from jealousy. Focus on doing your best and ignore unwarranted criticism. Finally, Part 7 offers 6 ways to prevent fatigue and worry. Rest before you get tired, learn to relax at work and home, and develop good working habits to keep your energy and spirits high. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey through Stop Worrying and Start Living. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video!